Welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, we will be making this soya meat curry with a thick and delicious gravy. Soya meat curry makes a good substitute for any type of meat dish when you want to make a completely vegetarian meal. Here are the ingredients to make the soya meat curry. 1 soya meat packet. You can always double this recipe for 2 packs for a family of 5 or more. 2 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 green chilli sliced, a sprig of curry leaf, substitute with the bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 large onion sliced fine, 1 large tomato cut into wedges, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm using Jaffna curry powder, but you can use any type of good curry powder available to you. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, salt to season, half to 1 cup of coconut milk. This depends on how much gravy or if you need gravy. Now that you have all the ingredients, let's start by preparing the dry soya meat to cook. First, add the dry soya meat into a bowl. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan and pour this boiled water into the soya meat. Cover the soya meat with a lid and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes or until the chunks have expanded and look like little sponges. Let the hot water cool and then squeeze out the excess water and set aside. Now you can do this in your sink, easily draining the water and adding tap water to the soya meat to cool it and then draining and squeezing it out. Now that you have the soya meat prepared, let's make the soya meat curry. To a pan, pour in the oil. Let the oil heat for a few seconds and then add the green chilies, curry leaves, ginger, garlic. Cook until they release their aroma over low-medium heat. This would take about a minute or so. Add sliced onions, tomato, and cook the ingredients until they turn slightly golden and the tomatoes can be crushed easily with a spoon. Once the ingredients in the pan have turned soft, add turmeric powder, curry powder, red chili powder, red chili flakes, and then season with salt. Once again, stir to mix all the spices with the ingredients in the pan. Add the tomato sauce and cook over low heat to avoid the spices sticking to the pan. Once you have a coarse spice paste, pour in the coconut milk and gently stir. Let the soya meat gravy thicken and change color over low heat. Taste the gravy and season with salt to make it flavorful. Now that the soya meat gravy is ready, add the soya chunks. Mix well with the gravy. If you notice that there is less gravy, pour in some coconut milk. Let the soya meat cook while tasting and adjusting the flavors. At this point, you can add a little curry powder, season with salt if needed, taste, and if you do notice that the curry flavor is strong, just add a tablespoon of sugar to balance everything. Mix well, remove from the stove and let it cool for a few seconds before serving. And this is your Sri Lankan soya meat curry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time with another great recipe you can try.